People want to know how to reignite passion in their marriage. We get these questions at the Marriage Foundation. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation. And I want to really take this apart because there's misconceptions around the whole thing. I mean, just the idea of reigniting. It implies that the passion is like a fire, that if you're not fueling it, the fire will go down. And this is what a lot of people will talk to you about. They'll tell you ways to fuel the fire of passion. And I'm gonna say no. Don't go there. I'm gonna talk about a different kind of passion. I'm gonna talk about a passion for your spouse. I'm gonna talk about how you have started to take your spouse for granted. The passion comes from a degree of appreciation for your spouse that excites you. It's not a sexual thing. It's a recognition of their qualities that you find beautiful, that you find admirable. It could be sexy too. Maybe you find their body sexy and you have a passion for that, but that's so mundane. The thing to do is to start looking at them again as you did when you were dating. Those qualities that they had when you were dating still exist. Now, on their end too, they have become more subdued because this is frankly the first killer of marriage. I call it overfamiliarity, where you start taking each other for granted. So here's what you do. Make a list of their qualities that you love and appreciate. And then you have control over your own mind, your own thoughts. Start thinking about these qualities. Add the fire of appreciation. Start thinking about how much you appreciate it, how much you love that about them. And tell them. And you will get feedback. And that will feed it again. And that is real. Don't go for the sexual passion because, and this is very important, I'm going to make this like a second part of this video, which is what's wrong with feeding the fires of sexual passion. Sexual passion is not the main thing for human love. Human love comes from the heart. Sex is fine as a vehicle we use to express that love. But when we get sidetracked and we start getting into a passion for how our soulmate smells, how they look, how they walk, what their legs look like, their shoulders, their arms, these things are fleeting. You didn't marry their body. You didn't marry them for sex. You married them so that you could experience a connection with them at a level way up here, the level of your heart, your soul, where the unspoken, that love, is more powerful than the physical passions. So don't push those aside. We're not doing some religious thou shalt nots here. Don't push those aside. They're fine. They're wonderful. But re-emphasize their heart qualities, their smile, the look in their eyes, their touch that you don't even necessarily feel when they physically touch you, but you feel them etherically reaching out and touching you. Start seeing them through the eyes of your heart, through love. And control your mind to do so. Your mind is your tool. It isn't you. It's the first part of a happy marriage, is learning how to control your mind. It's very important. So move your thinking away from sexual passion, because if that's where you stay, I guarantee you your marriage will end in the burned out embers of that kind of passion. And you could get married again, start up with someone new, and that excitement will be there, and it too will burn out. But what never burns out is true love. It has no boundaries, it's infinite. It's tangible, it's real, and it is ever expanding. Go to our website, take a look at what we have to offer. Maybe read my books or take a course. If you're a man, take the course for men. If you're a woman, take the course for women. It's inexpensive, it's so powerful. It'll transform your life. Isn't that what you want? Don't you want your marriage to deliver ever increasing happiness, ever expanding love? It's what it's there for. And you have it at your fingertips. You need to learn how to access it. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation based on these very deep principles of love and joy. Thank you for spending time with me. Like this video, leave a comment. God bless and take care.